Summer afternoon, sitting on the sand, eating lunch alone. Seagulls close at hand. They gather all around, eyes on every bite, staring at my food, waiting for a sight. Seagulls in the summer, waiting for a treat. Seagulls in the sunshine, hovering so sweet. I nibble on my breath, they move a little close, wings spread in the air, more than just a dose. I share a little piece, they squawk in the swoop, flying in a frenzy on the hungry troop. Seagulls in the summer, waiting for a treat. Seagulls in the sunshine, hovering so sweet. I nibble on my bread, they move a little close, wings spread in the air, more than just a dose. I share a little piece, they squawk and they swoop, flying in a frenzy on the hungry troop. Seagulls in the summer, waiting for a treat. Seagulls in the sunshine, hovering so sweet.